Hey, welcome back. Y'all already know we get ready to go ahead and jump into a quick little video. So basically, you remember all that shit that was going around with Chris, where as though he decided to come on here and have a temper tantrum, you get me? And the whole entire comment section basically was dragging the fuck out of him, except maybe I would say about 10%. Okay. The other 90 was dragging the fuck out of Chicklets and radio. So I'm going to read off to some of these comments to y'all. So let's see. This is entertainment. Where's the mods? Address the comments and stop making it seem like it's about your aunt. Address them kids. Pay child support. And let me put y'all together real quick. See, these comments were screen recorded. So the actual live that they already have up, these comments ain't in there. These are the comments that they deleted them because they were getting dragged the fuck. And we already know who did that. Jasmine the man, she was in the kitchen. Like I told y'all in a prior video, acting like a goddamn chihuahua. Acting like, you know what I'm saying, she throws them bowls. Acting like, you get what I'm saying, that she will put them paws on you. Yeah, she was in the kitchen. Yeah, that's what she was doing. So let's keep on going. So Proud Momo of 5 said, start buying groceries instead of using them kids' food stamps, and you ate the food that Mama Dukes and her man provided for them babies, not you. Told y'all. If this is not true, then why are you so obsessed? Chris, you shouldn't be a woman. You shouldn't be on a woman's platform disrespecting a woman like this. Jazz should have done this live. Brandy said, just let her look stupid because she does look stupid. Make sure you hit the dislike when you're on your way in button. She got everything she wanted by you coming on here. That was Elise. This live is titled Letting the Truth Out. Where's the truth? Someone said, I guess from them releasing the photos of the kids or his aunt, they said you don't need permission for photos, especially if they are on public accounts. And that person is very, very right. Me personally, I'm not posting somebody's kids. I'm just not doing that. Because to be honest, I would not want anybody to do that to me. Erica said, you addressing reactors, but look at the comments of the people in here. They are trying to get you out of character. Tamizi said, why don't you help Jazz financially? She's struggling, bro. Chantel said, these comments are hilarious. Jamie said, clearly Chris is abusive. Tia Long said, meaning you be robbing people. Someone said, right, he does. Lisa White said, nobody is coming after any family, Chris. People just want to know why you have been in touch with, why you have not been in touch with your kids. How y'all don't know he work? That's jealousy, Chris. We have the freedom of snooping, sir. Deadbeat and a liar. They are doing too much at this point about other people's life. And that was from a Latasha Brown. Latasha Brown, shut the fuck up. Next, there was, let's see, get your money up and send a cease and desist letter. A cease and desist letter. Okay. Work where? When Jazzy can't buy food. Why would Lexi lie on you, Chris? Why Jazz begging on YouTube? You supposed to be a man. Man don't work. They don't eat. Tell Jazz to keep you off of her channel. Miss Nosy Chris. Whoa, he is defending the baby mamas and not Jazz. Jazz, come get this fool. Your baby mama came out first to address that. We already know that you don't help Jazz. Oh, we got a reaction. Lexi and Lakina, they can't both be lying. You would know all about catching cases with that long ass rap sheet. Oh, well, you shouldn't have signed up for YouTube, you weak bro. He don't want to do for Jazz or the kids. How is any of the reactors the problem? Are you wearing that red t-shirt? Are you wearing that red t-shirt under your jacket, they said? Tia said, laugh out loud. No, the fuck. You don't, Chris. You better call that damn courthouse. The next person, you're on a government watch list? So, to my understanding, your baby mother, the one reached out to the reactors. No, you don't have to be in the same state to be put on child support. You are not addressing the issue. Are you providing for your daughter purse? Double A said, Nika, I thought you was getting ready to cry. You don't have to be in the same state to be on child support. Remember, I had told you some dumbass subscriber or whatever, or troll, told him that you had to be in the same state. That's the only way that you could get child support. Yeah. Chris, you are cooking all the food and you can't help her buy food? Let me guess, you think it's okay to lock kids in a room all day like they are a prisoner? You getting dragged, big hip boy. You are a liar and despicable. Shaking my head. Wow, Chris, I kind of understand your point of view until you said that. Do you pay child support? Jazz put him up to this sympathy. You are a liar. A man should not complain about child support in the first place. That's for kids, no matter the circumstances, and they shouldn't be trying to flee away from it either. So Gabrielle Jones said, are you going to sue Reese Life? First of all, you spelled life L-I-F-E. I spell mine's L-Y-F-E. Secondly, I didn't have shit to basically say about anything. If you notice, I didn't do any videos with Lexi or the twins' mom. So the next time you decide where you want to go ahead and run my name in a live, make sure, Gabrielle Jones, that you know exactly what I had in the hand with this, which was nothing, Gabrielle Jones. So the best thing for you to do, Gabrielle Jones, is to shut the fuck up if you don't know what the fuck you are talking about, Gabrielle Jones. Moving on. Do you see your kids? Why didn't you go live from your own home? You get no sympathy from me. I'm going to read a couple more and then I'm going to go ahead and close it on up. They just hating. Got nothing else better to do. I'm happy for Jazz. I started watching her when the twins were born. She makes me want to do better for myself. And weight loss. And this person who said this name is Ashley North. Ashley, you a fucking idiot. Anytime you want to do something to Jasmine, you actually look up to Jasmine. If you actually look up to Jasmine, let me tell y'all right now, that in that case, your life gotta be real fucked up. If you are coming and waking up each day to go and say, oh, I wonder what Jasmine is doing with herself today. I look up to her so much. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close it up or whatever. But yeah, Chris, they were dragging the fuck out of you. Yes, they were. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to slide on up off of here. And I will see you beautiful people in the next video. Later.